environmental scientist at California State Parks here in San Luis Coast District. And here today we're at Montana de Oro State Park. This is one of our gems of our district. It has so much to offer here at Montana de Oro. We have this coastal bluff, we have geological features, we have all sorts of habitats, chaparral, oak woodland, we've got Valencia Peak, we've got the sand spit, all sorts of things to offer here at Montana de Oro. And it's one place that I love to be and I love to work here. It's wonderful. Today, we're going to talk about habitat restoration. We have over 1 million visitors come here, right here to this bluff trail. And we spend a lot of time helping people understand our native habitats here at Montana de Oro. But with all those visitors, we also have impact, right? 1 million visitors a year, and they all want to get to the bluff edge. And just a few years ago, this whole area was denuded of vegetation because people, they didn't really know where to go and they would just go to the bluff. And it basically denuded this vegetation. So with the help of many volunteers and a lot of our staff, we decided to fence this area, this gable that you see, so people knew where to walk, they could go on the bluff edge, and we could restore this area. So habitat restoration is part of what we do as environmental scientists. Our job is to make sure that we protect and enhance native representative habitats of California. So as we talked about the denuded vegetation and us restoring that, that's mostly because of human impact. And the other impact that we have on our native environments is non-native plants. This New Zealand spinach is all over the bluff trail here. And it's one reason that inspired this restoration project, because this was taking over. It basically was engulfing all these beautiful native plants that you see. And so with hundreds and thousands of hours of volunteer and staff time, we basically removed this. Well, we didn't remove it all. We still have a lot more to go. But basically removing this New Zealand spinach to give all these natives space for them to grow and to thrive, as you see here today. We're not done, like I said, we still have a long way to go, but dealing with the non-native plants, dealing with the human impact by putting up our signs, putting up our cables, this area just in the last 4 years has just, it's amazing how much it's thrived with just allowing the natives to have their space. So that's really the message I want to say, is for everybody to come and enjoy Montana de Oro and to do your part. Respect the signs and the cable because it's there for a reason. It's there to give the native plants their space so they can have their space and you can have your space and enjoy it as well. So thank you for coming to our state parks and thank you for respecting our hard work that our volunteers and our staff do to make it beautiful.